Personal finance. So, what is personal finance? Personal finance is a term that covers managing your money as well as saving and investing. It encompasses budgeting, banking, insurance, mortgages, investments, and retirement, tax, and estate planning. The term often refers to the entire industry that provides financial services to individuals and households and advises them about financial and investment opportunities. Personal finance denotes the application of finance's principles to the monetary decisions of a family or an individual. It includes the ways in which families or individuals get, budget, spend, and save monetary resources over a period, considering different future life events and financial risks. Financial position is focused on understanding the available personal resources by examining the household cash flows and net worth. Net worth is an individual's balance sheet, derived by summing up all assets under that individual's control, minus the household's all liabilities at a time. Few schools have courses on managing your money, so it is important to learn how through free online articles, courses, blogs, podcasts, or books. The core areas of managing personal finance include income, spending, savings, investments, and protection. Smart personal finance involves developing strategies that include budgeting, creating an emergency fund, paying off debt, using credit cards wisely, saving for retirement, and much more. Being disciplined is important, but it's also good to know when you shouldn't adhere to the guidelines.